Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back.
Protein domain questions get way easier when you track which pieces stay present during binding, so let's solve this fast and lock the answer. Start with the table's DNA binding results and look for the shared domain, because the required domain should appear whenever binding happens, even if the other tested domain changes. Check this out. The strategy points to test 4, where domain F is present and DNA binding still occurs, which makes F the consistent piece linked to binding. That demonstrates domain F is required for DNA binding, so the correct choice is option A, and the specific domain name is domain F. Well done! Option A is right. Scan now. Trap, rushing past the signs. Rule, trust the given data and check the steps carefully.